Welcome to Shenkman Law. My name is Marty Shenkman. The topic of this video clip is, in estate planning, avoid sales pitches. Too often people are taken in by a seductive sales pitch. You use a revocable trust, you avoid probate. You buy this particular life insurance policy, you won't lose money in a lawsuit. Or if you buy this particular product, you have plenty of money for retirement and you won't have to worry about what you pass on to your kids. Often the sales pitches take on new creative names that are not traditionally used by estate planning professionals, and that should be a tip-off. If the name or title is trademarked or copyrighted to the plan or product you're buying, that's a good sign it may not be what you need. Unless there's an urgent matter that you have to act immediately, take your time, be deliberate, think through what you're doing, talk to other people, research, check it out, make sure it makes sense. There is no magic silver bullet for estate planning. Human beings are different, families are different people have different levels of wealth, different family issues. If you have a child with a mental health issue, a drug addiction issue, you need to take special steps. If you're a senior and you may need Medicaid planning, you need to take different steps in order to preserve your assets. If you're a young adult, you may need nothing but a simple document just to get protection in the event of a disability or illness, like a healthcare proxy and power of attorney. You may not need more. So make sure you understand who is suggesting the solution to you. Make sure the solution passes a common sense test. Make sure it doesn't have some creative, wonky name that is not normally used. If you can't find that name of the product or the technique described fully online in the context of general planning, be suspicious. Suspicion is important when you're doing planning. Focus on the basics. Most people need the basic things: a will, perhaps a revocable trust, healthcare proxy, power of attorney, and planning. And the planning you need will vary depending on your circumstances. Just don't fall for a silly or silver bullet, magic bullet. They don't generally work, and they really don't exist. It's kind of like when you want to exercise and get in shape. You know, you're going to buy some machine that's going to get one particular body part in shape and not the rest of you. You have to get fully in shape. It's the same with estate planning. You need to look holistically at all your facts and circumstances. So the caution from today's clip is, please be very careful about succumbing to or getting taken in by a slick sales pitch. It's almost never going to be the right answer. It may sound great, but is it too good to be true? Thank you for joining us, and please keep in mind that all the information is simply for educational purposes. Consult professional advisors before proceeding.